Hello friends, welcome to my channel Taste the Linux. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. For visiting my website, link in the description. So friends, let's start our video. So let's see about the less command in Linux with their examples, and we will also see many options in the less command. So less command is mainly used to view the content of the log files of the bigger files, and also in the less command the content is divided into the pages, and when we press space or B, the content will shift up and down. And also we can search a pattern we want. Also we can search a timestamp. Also we can search a paths, and we can also edit a file with a less command. First we will see what we will look into the less command. So first we will check how to view the content with the less command, and how to display the numbers, how we will use space and B, how we will use J and K, how to go at the end and the start of the file, how to go at the particular line, how to search the pattern using slash and question mark, how we can search a timestamp, how we can search a path, how to examine the file, and how to edit the file. Now examine the file means we can open a multiple files using a less command, and we can switch between the file. So let's do some practical work. So press ls. As you can see, there is a 4 files, and in that 4 files we have a log file. Now we have to view the content using a less command, so we will type less log file and then press enter. As you can see here, there is a content like a log. I have merged 2-3 log files. Now what is a log files? A event generated by a system or by a server. So as you can see, I am using my mouse and I can scroll up and down. Also I am using my up arrow key and down arrow key to move up and down. Now we will look at how we can display a number of lines using less command. So less minus n option and then our log file. After I have pressed enter, you can see that now the number has been displayed 1 2 3 4. Let's move forward. If you have not understood anything, please ask me in the comment section. As earlier I have said that the whole content is divided into the pages. Suppose now I will press a space bar, then you can see that now I am one page down. As you can see, the last line was a 13, and here we can start it from the new line, which is 14. Again I will press a space bar. You can see that I will move one page down. Again I will press a space. Again I will move one page down. So as we can see that this is a file of 52 lines. Now suppose we have to move again to the same position, then we will use a B key. We are moving on the upward direction. You can also use J key to move one line down, and you can use K key to move one line up direction. Now what if I have to move 6 line down? Then I will use 6 and press J. Again I have to go 5 line down. Then what I will do? 5 J. Again I have came a 5 line down. Now I have to go 10 line in upward direction. Then I will press 10 and use K. Now as you can see that now I have moved 10 line in upward direction. Now suppose I have to go at 43rd line, then I will use 4 3 and just press simply G. Just keep in mind that your cap lock button should be off. Now I will press G. As you can see, now I am in the 43rd line. What if I have to go to 25th line? Simply I just press 2 5 25 and then press G. As you can see, I am in the 25th line. Now what if I have to search a word named as Bluetooth? I will use slash Bluetooth. After I will press enter, you can see the Bluetooth will be highlighted, and if I will press N, oh, it's showing pattern not found, means there is only one word with the Bluetooth in this file. We will use a different word, like let's use UFW. We will use slash UFW After we will press enter, you can see the UFW part has been highlighted. Just press N to search the next same keyword. I will press N. As you can see, I am moving forward, so I am at the end of the file. Now suppose I have to search same previous keyword, then I will use Shift N. And please keep in mind that your cap lock key should be off. So here we are moving in the upward direction. Now suppose we are at the end of the file and we have to search a word kernel. So we will use a backward search, which is a question mark sign. We will use question mark and then we will write kernel. Oh sorry, it's a spelling mistake. Kernel, and then we will press enter. After I have pressed enter, you can see the kernel word has been highlighted. Again I will use a N key to search a next same keyword named as kernel, and again we will use Shift N to search back the previous same keyword. So now I am at my end of the file. So what if I have to go at my first line, means a start of my file? Then I will just simply press Option G. After I will press G, you can see that I am now at the first line. What if I have to go at the end of the file? Then I will just simply use Shift G. Keep one thing in mind, your cap locks key should be off. If you have any doubt till now, you can ask me into my comment section. Let's move forward. Now we will see how we can search a timestamp. Here there is a timestamp as JUN space 14 space 00 colon 12 colon 52. So let's try. We will use slash June. We will use a backward slash because there is a space in that. That's why we will use a backward slash. Then 14. Again we will use a backward slash because there is a space. 00 12 and 52 seconds. As you can see, the 3 timestamp has been highlighted. After I will press N, it will search me the next word, same Shift N for the previous keyword. Now what if I have to search a path? So again I will use slash USR, but after again I will not put that slash. I will again use a backward slash, again the forward slash, and I will use lib, and I will just press enter. As you can see, again the USR lib has been highlighted. After I will press N and I will move to my next keyword. Again I will use a Shift N for my previous same keyword. So in this file I have just only 2 slash USR slash lib file. So now we have to edit the file. Then simply we just press a key V. You can see that I am in a nano editor. Nano editor is a one kind of editor like a Vim, VI. Now we will write something. Today we have learn less command, and just after I have to save the file, we will use Ctrl X and we will press Y to save. As you can see here, it's saying if you have to save the file, then you have to press Y. We will just simply press Y, and then he is again asking me file name to write the log file. We will press enter to save the file. As you can see that our content has been added. Today we will learn Linux command. Now we will look at how we can examine the file using a less command, and also how to open a multiple file using a less command. So when we press ls, you can see we have a 4 file: first file, log file, second file, and system logs. After that we will use less log file and we will use first file. We will use -n option to print the numbers. Now I will press enter. You can see at the downside it is showing me file 1 of 2. If I have to move to a second file, then I will just simply use Shift colon and I will use N for the next file. As you can see, now I am in my second file. If you have to cross check the content, you can check first file. You can see the content is same. This is a first file. Welcome to Taste the Linux. Now again, what if I have to add one more file? and we have seen that there is a file named as second file. Now how to add that second file in this existing less command? So we will use Shift E. So you can see that it is prompting me examine. We will write second and press tab. You can see the second file has been came. We will just press enter. Now it is showing file 3 of 3 and the content of a second file. If I have to switch back to my second file, I will just simply use Shift colon and P. So you can see that I am now in this second file. If again I have to switch back to my previous file, again I will use colon P. If I have to move again to my second file, I will use colon N. So as you can see that now I am in my third file. If you have any doubt regarding a less command or any basic command in Linux, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video.